hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I first want to tell you guys happy Black Friday. Today is November 27th, Friday, November 27th. So it is Black Friday. I also hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving yesterday. We didn't do too much. The kids were actually at their dad's, so I went over to my parents' house and hung out with them. But I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving no matter what you did, whether you stayed home, if you did go and celebrate, whatever it may be. Happy late Thanksgiving. So I am going to post this video here this morning. I have a few things to share with you guys. First of all, since it is Black Friday, I am having a Black Friday sale on my website, moreyjune.com. All of my items are 20% off, and you have to use the code BF for Black Friday 20. So BF20. Use that code at checkout. It'll get you 20% off. I will also be having a Cyber Monday sale, but more details on that will come probably tomorrow or Sunday. So with the Black Friday sale, I had my new February kits go up live this morning at 12 a.m. I normally do 2 different themed options, and this time I did 3. So I'm going to share those with you guys. And then I also have another new release that I'm going to share. So I think I'll actually do that one first. So these are some of my new cash envelopes, and these fit in an A6 binder. So they are zipper pocketed, clear, it has vinyl. You get to personalize what category is on there. These are just the 4 that I use. And the different vinyl colors that I have are right here. So you have black matte, white, gray, blue, green, purple, red, pink, yellow. You have gold and silver. And then I also have a pink glitter, a shattered holographic, and then a red glitter over here. I love the red glitter one. So those are the different vinyl options you choose. So you purchase this, you specify what category you want on your envelope, and then you specify what color of vinyl, and they're 100% personalized, made. They look so cute. And then this is what the money looks when it gets put in there. And again, these are for an A6 binder. And that is what they look like. So that is the first new release that I have. And then we're going to go ahead and jump into the February sticker kits. I'm going to go over them, and then I will lay them out on paper and then show you guys that. So the first one, I always like to get out the washi first. So this theme is called Abstract. I'll zoom in a little bit here. So the thick washi, you can see it has some like gold, glitter, some light pinks, some navies, some teal, purple. And then this is the thin washi. So you have the thick washi strip and the thin washi. The thin washi has the same 5 thin washies, 3 solids, and 2 abstract printed materials. So that is the thick washi. Here is your February budget kit. So you have your income, total income, expenses, total expenses, and then savings down here. Your weekly check-in. This would be the paycheck to paycheck. You would use one of these per paychecks you expect to receive during the month of February. And then we have the transactions, where you can write down all of the transactions from your expenses that you spent throughout the month. Your debt tracker, sinking funds, and then last would be the monthly kit. So you have your 2 thick washies, thin washies to go to the bottom of the calendar, date dot covers, and then Valentine's Day and President's Day. And then this would be the budget kit for the monthly overview. You can purchase these 2 separately, or you can purchase them as one. So I have them available as both ways. All of these are available individually, or you can get a kit that would have everything here. You would get 3 of these, 2 of these, and then 1 of each of those, a deluxe budget kit. So that is the abstract kit for February. These next 2 are my favorite. I'll start with the rainbow. Okay, so the rainbow has kind of a honeycomb pattern to it. Lots of cute like watercolor prints. And then you have your thin washi. You have 2 of the prints and then 3 solids. I absolutely love, love, love this print. Next would be your budget kit. Again, you have the same things as the previous kit, just with the different designs. Your weekly check-in. Your sinking funds, debt tracker, and transactions. Here is the paycheck check-in for that one. And then I love how the calendar one on this turned out. I think that is just so cute. I can't wait to lay it down. And then there's the budget kit for the calendar overview. So that is rainbow. And then the last one is another one that I absolutely love. This one is floral. So here are the 2 washies. So this one has lots of like navy blues, really light pink, some kind of light colored blue. And then for the thin washi, I brought in 3 prints and 2 solid washies. This strip here has just some cute little doodles with hearts, and then this one also has hearts. Then you're bringing in that thick washi from up there. So that is the washi kit, and then all of the kits I'm going to show you now kind of are inspired by that. So here's your budget kit, weekly check-in. I love how the navy blue goes with the light pinks. I think it's so pretty. You have your sinking funds, your debt tracker, and your transactions. And then here is the paycheck kit. And here is the calendar for the floral, as well as the budget kit. So those are the 3 different themed options I have for February. I am going to lay them down on some paper so you guys can see how all of the kits look out on paper. So I will be right back. Okay, the first one that I have set up here is the floral print in the calendar overview. So this was both the calendar sheet as well as the budget sheet. So that's 2 different kits that make up this look. You have the thick washies up here, the 2 thin washi strips down here, date dot covers, your holiday covers, and then the budget kit is the bill dues and the little expense trackers. So this is what the floral print looks like for the overview. And then I'm going to go to the rainbow monthly overview. Again, the same 2 kits. I really love the way this one turned out. And then the last one is the abstract. So there is your abstract monthly view. And then, so again, this is the floral print. This is what your paycheck budget kit will look like. So that is this whole kit right here made up this. This is just how I lay it down. You can do whatever you want. It depends on what you have for expenses, if you have cash envelopes, if you have sinking funds, if you have savings. You can set it up however you want. This is just how I do mine. And then this would be the weekly check-in kit. That is what it looks like. So you have your weeks 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's also a 5th week for the months that have 5 weeks, and then your totals. So this is the floral print. This next one is the rainbow print with the debt tracker and the sinking fund kit. So that's 2 different kits there. So this is debt tracker, comes with the debt tracker, script sticker, the debt washi, and then the totals. And then this same with the sinking funds. So that is the rainbow print. And then over here is the abstract. So here again is the paycheck to paycheck budget in the abstract kit. And then here is the weekly check-in. So I didn't lay all of the different kits down, but those of you guys have watched me for a while, I use all of my sticker kits in the budgeting that I do, so you can go back and look at them if you would like, and I'll have all the pictures posted on my website. But all of those are up live now. Take advantage of the Black Friday 20% off sale. Again, the code is BF20. Enter that at checkout, and the website is www.moreyjune.com. So I hope you guys have a great Black Friday. I hope you get lots of sales and deals, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!